Hey guys, how's it going? Appliance Guy Online here. Today I am going to be opening up this Huina 15 channel RC excavator. I got it for my son for Christmas. It's October 18th and I promised that I would start Christmas early. Anyways, I did, and here it is. It is, like I said, a 15 channel RC excavator manufactured by Huina, and it's actually a lot bigger than I thought it would be. When I first looked at it, it looked a little bit smaller, but it really is big. So anyways, let's get to it. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. I don't know who's more excited, me or my son when he sees it for Christmas. But I did want to go ahead and have it opened and ready for him. That way when he sees it under the Christmas tree, it'll be, you know, charged and everything else. And all he's got to do is pick up the remote and start playing with it. So actually there was two tabs here holding it here and on the remote here, but I already took those off. I've had it open before, but basically I'm opening it again. So anyways, it comes with a battery for the excavator, and it comes with a USB cable, so you have to plug it into USB to charge the battery. It doesn't look like there's any instructions that come with it, but there are instructions on the side of the box here, which kind of tell you what everything does and the remote control operations and all that. But anyway, so we got a battery and we got a USB cable for charging. So at first glance, this thing is really big and it seems like it's really well built. It says on the box, diecast. Most of it seems to be plastic, except for the bucket. The bucket is metal. But everything else seems to be plastic. So, but it does. It looks good built. It looks quality built. Anyways, there's the excavator. And then we got the remote control. I'll put that there. I'll put this over here. So yeah, this thing is a lot bigger than I thought it would be, actually. Really cool though. On the box, it shows us that the battery goes in here. So there's actually a little tab that you turn here, and then this lifts up. So we can pop the battery in. Plug that in there. And then we could pop this back on. Now, it does come pre-charged, so you could pop the battery in and try it right away. So the remote control, it doesn't come with any batteries. So basically, you have to get two AAA batteries in order to start playing. So I've got those right here. Go ahead and pop those in. Pop this screw back on there. Okay, so I got the battery in the excavator, I got the batteries in the controller. The directions say in order to link it, you have to turn on the excavator first, and then following that you turn on the remote control, and the excavator should beep when the controller has linked. So underneath here there is a on-off switch, so I'm going to go ahead and flip it on. I'll show you guys this first. This thing is really cool. I mean, it's fairly heavy too, but anyways, I am gonna switch it on. And it has lights and sound. And I'm gonna turn the controller on. And that beeping means that it has connected. Okay guys, it looks like I have it linked, so could kind of get used to the controls here. Looks like we have that arm movement, we have that arm movement there, and then we have the bucket movement. Okay, so that controls the arm. Okay, and then it looks like each joystick here controls one side of the tracks. So in order to go forward and backwards, you push them both forward or both backwards. And then to spin, you use these buttons here. And then you can also turn the sound on and off, which is nice, just in case your kid is playing with it and starts getting annoying. But anyways, this one, these buttons here control the upper arm. This one here controls the end of the arm. Looks like this one here controls the bucket. So again, this thing is really cool, guys. I think a child of any age would really enjoy this, or even grown-ups. I mean, I'm enjoying playing with this thing right now. Turn the sound on and off. So it's got 360-degree rotation. Again, this thing is really cool. I mean, I'll sit here and play with this thing all day. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more toy unboxings and reviews. And if you guys want to get one of these things for yourselves, you can click on the link in the description and you could get one too. Again, thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, and again, the link is in the description if you guys want to get one too. Thanks for watching.